Welcome! In front of me I have CMF Watch Pro 2 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. After the menu opens, scroll through it by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, let's find the option called the sounds, and once you find it, tap on it, and right here we have the option called volume, select it of course, and now we can adjust the sound volume on our watch by swiping on the slider. You can also use the crown, basically rotate it to adjust the sound. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.